Kirkman ar gic gornel. Golwr yn dod yn dani, mae oddi ar y linell. Ond yr ergyd gan Canavan yn un wyllt ac ymhell heibio'r nod. Richards. Taylor Crossdale. Taylor Crossdale yn gydio, ond yna'r agosa mae Hwlffordd i dod yn yr hanner cyntaf. Mae hynny yn dweud y cwbl. 4 munud tan yr egwyl. Hanner cyntaf tawel hyd yma. Darlington am newid hynny gyda'r gic rydd. At y post yn pella, a mae'n gwiro! A mae'n rhwyd. Iwan Lewis sy'n rhwydo. Y gwiriad oddi ar Ricky Watts yn ei chymryd i heibio Zach Jones. Mae wedi bod yn 41 munud. Anodd dan y llifoliadau o Aber ar y blaen. Bas Letraws yn chwilio am Fawcett. Mae'n cael ei warchod gan Wooler, mae'n gwaith da gan Fawcett yn brwydro. Mae'n tynnu'r ergyd, heibio'r nod. Tafliad yn yr ystlys. Wooler, troed ar y bel, ond mae'n ei cholli hi'n syth i Corey Shepherd. Shepherd ar ras, Taylor Crossdale yn o'n gwmni. Y bas, y pwysau bach yn drwm ar ei Taylor Crossdale! Bron a rhwydo, cynnig gwych gan y blaenwr. Ricky Gornel di chwipio at y postyn pella. Taylor Crossdale, mae'n cael ei chlirio oddi ar y llinell. Dwi ddim yn meddwl o croesoddi, ond yn yr agosa mae Hwlffordd i dod at y gyfartal yn y gêm hon. Abruzzese at Fawcett. Ni yn yr amser sy'n cael ei ganiatáu am anafiadau, os na un cyfle arall am mod i Hwlffordd. Abruzzese ni sgipio i mewn, Wilson yno! Fe ddylefed i rhwydo, fe ddylefed i achub pwynt i Hwlffordd, a dyna'r chwiban ola. Triphwynt enfawr i Aberystwyth tua gwaelod y tabl. Iwan Lewis sgoriodd unig gol y gêm. Y sgor terfynol Aberystwyth 1, Hwlffordd 0.
I think it was probably a game of two halves. I think we were very, very good first half. We dominated, we had quite a few chances and we looked quite comfortable. They changed the shape half time to match us. Took a little while to get to grips with it, but I think it's a case of let's steady the ship defensively first. That's what we need sorted, especially from the last game. I came in at half time and said, I'm not saying well done to you yet, because we knew what happened last game. We won it up good in last time. They've recognised it, they've recognised the defensive duties first. Yes, it was a little bit back against the wall towards the end, but yeah, I made 1 or 2 changes because 1 or 2 legs, freshened them up, and they've all done particularly well, so really pleased.
Frustrating. Can't keep clean sheets, you know. Neither keeper's made a save all night that I can really remember. Second half, we changed our shape, changed our couple of players, and thought we played well second half, but didn't test the keeper. And when you go a goal behind against Aberystwyth away from home, you know it's going to be tough to get back in the game. And you know, Aberystwyth, to their credit, defended really well.
Mae'n anodd pan da ni'n hangen pwyntiau gymaint ac da ni'n gwybod faint ochr dda di Haverfordwest, so da ni'n gwybod bod ni'n fod yn anodd. Ond dim ond nathon ni amddiffyn, o'n i'n meddwl bod Louis Bradford a Jack Thorne yn briliant yn canol o'r amddiffyn heno. Ac dwi'n meddwl yn y performio drwg yn y tîm i gyd y dyd gwir.
And listen, Aberystwyth, no. They're very clever what they do. They play for set pieces because they're good at set pieces, and if you keep giving them set pieces, sooner or later they're going to get an opportunity, and that's what happened. It's a stupid free kick. It's always going to be a free kick. You can't have your hands all over somebody, and they punish you for it.
I think psychologically it puts a message out there, I think, and like I say, could have been go both ways. If we lost tonight, then obviously we're on the back foot again. So it takes us nicely into next week's game. We still got to wait on results tomorrow, see how it goes. And like we said, I said last week it's going to be 3 weeks ago, whatever it was. There's going to be 10 cup finals. Today's a cup final. We roll our sleeves up, we go again for next week's cup final.